All right, folks. So if you saw my last video, we did a little bit on our Armour Detail Supply Decon soap, and that foam was weak, okay? So we're gonna redo it, all right? It's for what the people want. As Eddie would say, for the culture, all right? So I was talking to Jamie, I was talking to Eddie, I was talking to Joey. They're like, and Brad for that is just like, bro, that stuff is thin. So we're gonna go heavy shaving cream today. At least I hope, all right? We'll see if this is a bad bottle or not. So we have the Armour Detail Supply Decon soap. I have a measuring cup this time instead of just guessing, all right, in Canadian fashion, sorry. So I have 100 milliliters. We're just gonna pour this in up to 100 mils. Glug, glug, glug. And then I have 750 mils of water in my MJJC S version 3.0. I can never remember that in here. So we're gonna send that all in there. I'm even gonna let the measuring cup sit like that to get all the soap in there. Gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna foam the car and see if this is any better. So stay tuned. We're gonna foam the car and we'll let you know how it goes. All right, boys and girls. So we got the Decon soap. So we got 100 milliliters to 750 mils of water. Stupid pressure washer. We're gonna go ahead and foam this on. Again, Armour Detail Supply Decon soap. Let's see how she's looking. That's better. Perfect. I got so much all over me. Moral of the story, read the dilutions. So there you have it. Armour Detail Supply Decon soap, Bucky VW over at TOC Supplies, Jamie 10 at your mom's house, wherever else. See you in the next one.